स्टार्ट करेंगे। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। टुडे I will explain you and detail you. As you know, we are in previous class. I am detailing you in different type of pranayams, and in continuation today I will explain you Ujjayi pranayam. First of all, pranayam should be in open space. Dress should be loose so that you can mold or easily move your body according to demand of the pranayam's posture. First, on mat or on grass, one has to sit in such a position. Just look me. This will be the posture for pranayam. It is called Sukhasan. One has to sit first of all in Sukhasan to perform pranayam. Method of this pranayam, Ujjayi pranayam, mind it and notice it, is like this, and just look me how I am performing this. First off, we make it palms, and in pran mudra hands will be on both of knee and neck. Then we will in this performance you have looked that first I inhale the air in a stomach and hold it at least 30 seconds, minimum 30 seconds, maximum 1 minute, and then after 30 minutes or 1 minute, the right hand thumb will be on the right nose, and then the hold inhale air should be discharged from left nose. In this method we can do it 3 or 4 times, maximum 5 times, and this type of pranayam makes you fit and fine, relax you in arthritis problem and different type of problems related to gas and others problem of gastrointestinal problem. Then if you regular do it, you will be get from maximum diseases and protect yourself in different types of deformity like arthritis and problems and others deficiencies created by the obesity and others problem. So one should do it every day, and if it is in early in the morning, then it will be more beneficial for all of us. And now in this pranayam you will be beneficial more, your body will be get more immunity power from this pranayam, and this way this is Ujjayi pranayam is may be performed by you, and I hope that you will follow it and make your body healthy and your healthy mind, and develop in yourself most immunity power to resist in different type of and resist different type of disease. Thank you. हो गया सर.